Rocket launching preparation underway.
Can that hear you?
Yep.
You're in control. You should walk further away.
Farther away.
Hold on. Houston, stand by. Rocket launch, take 2.
This time, not as far.
I'll do my best.
I'd walk over this way so you're not like in front of the rocket.
Okay. I'm not promising you that I can follow it. When you're ready, do the countdown, Jacob.
From 5. 5. 4. 2. 1.
Oh. And there it goes. Is it coming down or is it down? Oh my goodness, it is way up there! Brian, it's crazy high! It's so way up above me almost! It's coming towards me, hon.
Oh, there it is.
Where is the parachute?
It's above me! We don't know where it is.
It's kind of going out, buddy.
Where'd it go?
That's pretty cool.
I don't think I've ever seen it go so high. And
That is so cool. Is that one of those little RC ones? Yeah, you get a KB toy store or, no, we got that,
Toys R Us.
Toys R Us, that's awesome.
well, he gets them for him, but
For me. I want one.
and as you can see, there's Jacob running